In this video, I'll show you how to buy an Amazon gift card using Apple Pay. To do this, you cannot actually use the Amazon website itself since they don't currently offer Apple Pay as a payment method, but you can use a website such as Dondle.com. Now, I'm not affiliated with them, but in my opinion they are one of the legit options out there, and there are a few more, but from there you can just gonna search for the brand name, so in this case Amazon, and then select an Amazon gift card. Then choose for how much you want to do it, and you can see they also score 4.9 stars out of 5 with 931 reviews on Trustpilot. But from here just select whichever one you would like to have, so I'll do the $25 one. So go and click on buy now right there, and there, if it's your first time, you need to enter your email and create an account, and after doing that just gonna click on choose payment method. And then as a payment method, you can see they have a bunch of them, but you can also just select Apple Pay right here. For this, they do charge 44 cents plus 5% of the transaction, which in this case comes out to $1.90. Then you need to read and agree to the terms and conditions, privacy policy, and the return policy. And from there, click checkout. And from there, just gonna make the payment using Apple Pay. And then after you do that, the Amazon gift card will be sent to your email address which you have entered. So now you know how to buy an Amazon gift card with Apple Pay. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.